What's good? Long time, long talk. It's been a while, y'all. Last time y'all saw me was during Vlogtober, and y'all, during that move, it was just too much. So we can talk about that a little bit later in like another video. But anywho, if you read the title, you already know your girl about to show y'all how I, basically prep my hair for crochet and stuff like that. So I got on my little slap cap. By the way, y'all, I didn't even turn on my ring light. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Y'all, I haven't recorded in so long, but your girl ring light is on, giving you lights, giving you fresh face. Okay. All right, y'all. So I washed my hair 2 days ago, and I put these braids in my hair. Y'all already know the routine, but what I did was I braided my hair, but I also part it in sections, so that way it'll be easier for me to braid it, I guess. Sorry if y'all can't, I hope y'all can hear me really good, because like I don't have my mic on. I don't know where it's at. I'm still like unpacking stuff. Everything is like mostly unpacked, but I don't know where I put my mic at. So hopefully y'all can hear me. I am gonna do a voiceover, but yeah. So anyways, these are the braids. This, and then in the back, I know it ain't cute back there, but whatever, make it do what it do, what I put in my hair to do these little braids so I can stretch my hair or whatever. I use the Mael Organics pomegranate and honey, is that the name of it? Yeah, the Mael Organics pomegranate leave-in conditioner. And I also use this As I Am double buttercream. So yeah, I'm gonna use this, a little bit of it today in today's video, just to add like a little bit moisture to my hair, or maybe not. I'll see how, my hair feels moisturized. Like, it don't feel like it needs any more moisture. I might just spritz my hair and do all that. So yeah, let's just get into it. Hey y'all, so as y'all can see, I started braiding my hair already. Later on in the video, y'all gonna see me change the way how I braided my hair. The way how I tried to braid my hair was I braided down, and then I tried to combine the braid so I could make one braid. That's why y'all see that fat braid. That's why y'all see 3 braids and then that one fat braid just sitting there looking crazy. But yeah, it didn't go as planned because your girl can barely braid, but yeah. All right, y'all, so I am taking down that pre-parted section that I had braided earlier in the video. So I'm taking that down, and then I'm going to spritz that section with some water and detangle it with my tangle teaser, because you want to make sure that your hair is nice and detangled before you start trying to braid, because you don't need no tangles or anything of that nature. So yeah, let's just get into this braiding that your girl is about to do. Well, try to do. All right, y'all, so I finished braiding the rest of my hair off camera. It's not the best of braiding, but your girl is still working on her little braiding skills, period. But it doesn't matter because it's gonna be underneath crochet. But anyways, what I'm doing here is I'm taking apart that first section there because we're gonna do some mini braids in the front. And y'all, my hair was smelling so freaking good. Like I couldn't resist to not smell my hair. But I do have a video on me doing mini braids. I'm basically just gonna do the same thing that I did in that video. So if you guys want to see that video, definitely check out the link that I will be linking up above for you guys. So I'm going to take this jam that I always use whenever I'm doing like individual braids or things like that. And then I'm going to spritz my hair, of course, and then detangle that section. And can we get into these inches? Like, yes, girl, look at that growth. So I'm going to use that jam on the root so I can make sure that the sections that I'm doing are going to be nice and sleek. And of course, we're going to part that section into like a smaller section so we can get these braids done. So if you made it this far into the video, make sure you're giving your girl a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new, make sure you subscribe to this channel. We are on the road to 2,000 subscribers and we would love for you to be a part of this fam, okay? Period. Don't mind me, y'all. I'm just I'm just amazed with how long my hair has gotten over the times. Like, it's just so freaking amazing what hair can do and how long it can get. So I am finally done with those individual braids, and what I'm going to do with the braids in the back, I'm going to create two big braids. So I split the back braids into like two sections, and then I'm just going to braid those braids down, making it into one braid. So after finishing up those 2 braids, this is what my hair is looking like. And now I'm going to show you guys 2 different ways that you can put your hair up, like those 2 braids up. So as you guys can see, I did the crisscross applesauce. But anyways, on the left, you guys can see that I am using a crochet hook, and I am using the crochet hook to maneuver the opposite braid into the braids that are on my scalp so it can stay, and I'm just going to continue to keep doing that. And then on the right, you guys can see that I'm using a needle and thread to ensure that it is, like, you know, there. So both ways are good ways to hide your braids. I hope I'm making sense. But anyways, both ways are good ways to hide the braids, so you can have that flat foundation. I just decided to go with the needle and thread. So for this clip here, I didn't speed it up or anything. I just left it in real time so you guys can see the process of how I do it, and also see me struggle and things like that. So yeah. So after everything is done, I'm going to oil my scalp. I did make this oil mixture. I can't remember on the top of my head all the oils that I put inside of it. So I do have a video where I did list everything that I put inside of the oil mixture. So if you guys would like to check out that video, I will link it up above for you guys. So as you guys can see, I am applying that on the scalp, and then I'm going to massage it in. All right, y'all, so while I finish oiling my scalp, this is all the steps that I take to prep my hair for crochet. And yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video. This is what my hair looks like, and I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below, and if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever your girl posts a new video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.